This is how to open RAR files on macOS. So first, I'll be showing multiple methods from hard to easy. So here's the hardest version. You can just use tar that's pre-built into macOS. So you just need to open a terminal in the folder that you want to extract the RAR file in. And you just need to type tar xv and then press tab and until it finds the RAR file that you want to extract. This also works for CBR files as well. And then you do it, and then it extracts. So it's pretty easy. And now you have it fully extracted. This is a little hard, so if you want a slightly easier way, you'll need to install something separate. The previous method, tar, is already pre-installed on macOS, so you don't have to install anything. But you can also use the Unarchiver to open it. And that's pretty easy as well. The Unarchiver, you can either get it from the App Store or directly from the website. I prefer the App Store version. But yeah, that's how you extract RAR and CBR files on macOS. If you like this sort of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.